9/16 wrench and loosen up the jam nut. It's on the top and bottom of the black arms that come out of the housing. And then use the handle against the arm extension, rest it up against there and lever it out. Once it's out about an inch, you can then yank abruptly and it'll come out. Before reinserting the closer assembly into the spindle, make sure you've got adequate lubrication on the threaded end, the Teflon white ring end, and then the inside of the spindle. Before you insert, slide it in. It'll initially be a little difficult, but you can tap it past that section. Once you get to the other end, it'll get tight again until you get over into the locating balls. Once that's in, reapply or insert your pivot screws, both top and bottom. Once those are in place, go ahead and tighten them. They don't have to be death tight, just adequately tight so they don't fall out, and that's done.